Hey piano players, in this video we're going to be talking about playing less to achieve more. Sometimes less is more when it comes to music and when it comes to piano playing, and so we don't have to be filling all of the chords all the time with lots of notes. Space is nice sometimes. Space helps sometimes. So if we think of this classic, for example, It Is Well With My Soul, imagine the song has been sung through the first and second verses. We're coming to the third verse. We don't need to be playing to the same intensity all the way through. If it seems like it's good to bring the music down, that's another time when we can use a lot of space. So we come out of the chorus. When peace or spacious. Pick it up again and play more notes. And so on. So it's really just a case of using space. So rather than play, for example, if I take the chord of G to D, you don't have to play all those notes, you can just do this. Just breaking it down and allowing for some space. Hope that gives you some ideas. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Do you often feel like you lack confidence when you play piano for your church? Do nerves get the better of you more than you wish they did? I understand. And in many ways, that's part of the package for us as piano players who also happen to be human beings. But it doesn't have to be that way. And I'd love to help you be less overcome by nerves and experience more confidence at the piano. In addition to this, I'd also love to help you see significant improvements in how you play and lead your congregation in worship from the piano. Let me tell you about my online course designed specifically for pianists like you who play or who want to play piano for their church. The 20-day Church Piano Player contains over 165 practical, step-by-step video tutorials that cover all the aspects of what it means to play piano for your church. The tutorials cover the musical, practical, biblical, and pastoral instruction you need to effectively support your church as they worship. So if you're done with letting your nerves win the day and you want to grow in confidence as you play for your church, just click the link below and enroll today.